everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 8 essential crypto trading rules that can help you become a profitable crypto trader. Now, I've been trading crypto for over 6 years now, and I've learned these lessons through my wins and my losses. And trust me, following these rules could save you from making costly mistakes and help you build a sustainable crypto trading career. So whether you're a beginner in crypto trading or you are looking to improve your trading game, these trading rules are rules you must follow in the volatile world of crypto trading. Before I go into these rules, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content on these topics, kindly like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now to the 8 crypto trading rules you must follow to become a profitable crypto trader. Number 1 is to always do your own research. Now, before you take any step into crypto trading, always take out time to do your own research on what crypto trading is all about. Never go into crypto trading based on hype or social media rumors alone, or because you see everyone posting profit from their trades and you think it's that simple. No, it's not that simple. Just go on the internet, go on YouTube and watch videos to guide you. And once you've done your own research and you're sure that this is something you want to do, then you can now get a mentor or get a course, or you just learn from YouTube videos. And if you want to learn how to make money from crypto trading, then you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many videos to guide you, and I'll put the links to some of these videos to guide you in the description below. The second trading rule is to set trading goals and stick to them. Now, before you start trading, you need to clearly define what you want to achieve. You need to set trading goals for yourself. And you can do that by asking yourself some questions like, are you aiming for quick profits through day trading, or are you building wealth for long term with crypto? Now, answering these questions will help you set specific and measurable trading goals that will guide your strategy and keep you focused. So, for example, instead of saying, I want to make money from crypto trading, you can set goals like, I want to make 10% from every futures trade I take. And as you get better with your trading skill, you can increase that percentage. Now, this way, you make better decisions based on your goals rather than making decisions based on emotions. And when it comes to crypto trading, you can't easily achieve your trading goals without having a good strategy. And this is where the third trading rule comes in. The third rule is to have a good trading strategy. Now, I always tell people that crypto trading is simple. You just need to learn, practice what you've learned, and come up with a good strategy. Now, that strategy is the most important part of trading. And how do you come up with a good strategy? Now, I've explained that on this channel multiple times, but if this is your first time watching my video, then I will explain it again. Now, in crypto trading, there are different strategies that people use. For some people, they prefer to use indicators, and even under indicators, we have multiple strategies because we have over 100 indicators that you can use. And for some people, they prefer price action and so on. There are just multiple strategies that you can use in crypto trading, but you only need one good strategy. And the way I did mine was that I started watching videos online on different crypto trading strategies to use, and I was applying them. And I kept on practicing with different strategies, and whenever I find one that is giving me a higher win rate, I stick to it. And then I start to look for ways to improve on that strategy, and this has worked for me multiple times. And you can do the same too. I have a playlist that contains videos on different crypto trading strategies that you can use to make consistent profits for yourself. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. So check out the playlist and see different strategies that you can use for yourself. To make consistent profit in trading is easy. Just find a good trading strategy and a good risk to reward ratio, and you are good to go. And that takes us to rule number 4, which is to practice proper risk management. Now, risk management is absolutely important in crypto trading. When it comes to crypto trading, you should never risk more than what you can lose on a single trade. And I've learned this the hard way. If you risk too much and face a series of losses, which obviously happens to almost everyone, you could seriously damage your trading account. But by keeping your risk small, you will have the power to survive the losses and become profitable in the long run. And trust me, no trade is worth risking your entire capital for, no matter how confident you feel about the trade. And that is why I would never advise anyone to trade with 100% of his or her capital. And the next trading rule, which is number 5, is to always use stop loss. Now, protecting your capital with stop loss orders is absolutely important in crypto trading. You must set stop loss for almost every trade you take. Yeah, I know that you don't want to lose your money, but it is better to lose a tiny part of your money rather than losing everything. Now, think of stop loss as a trading insurance policy for your trades. Markets can move against you quickly, especially in futures trading, and without a stop loss, you are putting your capital at unnecessary risk. And that is why I talked about using a good strategy and a good risk to reward ratio. So let's say, for example, you are trading with a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. It means that for every amount you are risking, you are making double of it. So if your stop loss order will make you lose $100, then your take profit order will be set to $200 profit. And with this risk to reward ratio of 1:2, all you need to do is to win at least 50% of your trades and you are a profitable trader. So you see that with stop loss orders, you already know how much you will probably lose, but without stop loss, you have no idea how much you can lose on a trade. Rule number 6 is to diversify your trades. Now, diversification is also important in crypto trading. Just like the popular saying that never put all your eggs in one basket. Always spread your capital across different trades. And this strategy not only helps you manage risks during market volatility, it also increases your chances of catching profitable opportunities while also protecting your capital from major losses. So for example, if you have $1,000 as your capital, instead of using the whole $1,000 on a single trade, you can use $300 on one trade and then another $300 on another trade and maybe another $300 on another trade. So with this, you are not using all your $1,000 on a single trade, and this helps you to have better chances at winning more trades and limiting your risk. Rule number 7, which is also very important, is to master technical analysis. Now, technical analysis is a vital skill for crypto trading. You need to learn to read and interpret candlesticks and understand key patterns such as your support and your resistance levels. You also need to familiarize yourself with important technical indicators like RSI, MACD, moving averages, and so on. Now, these tools are so important in crypto trading as they will help you identify trends and potential trading opportunities. And if you want to learn more and understand technical analysis better, you should register for my complete crypto trading course. In the course, you will learn everything you need to make money from crypto trading. And the technical analysis section and futures trading section of the course are packed with everything you need to become a profitable crypto trader. The link to register for the course will be in the description below. Rule number 8 is to keep emotions out of it. Now, emotions like greed and fear can be your worst enemies in crypto trading. Now, when you take a loss, your first instinct might be to immediately try to recover through revenge trading, that is, jumping back in with bigger positions to make it all back. And trust me, this emotional response usually leads to even bigger losses. And similarly, after a streak of winning trades, it's easier to get overconfident and start ignoring your risk management rules. I've been there before, feeling invisible after a few successful trades, only to have the market quickly humble me. So whether you are up or you are down, the key is maintaining your emotional discipline and sticking to your trading plan. And remember, successful trading is all about making consistent, well-thought-out decisions and not emotional decisions. So with that being said, these are the 8 crypto trading rules you must follow to become a profitable crypto trader. Becoming a profitable crypto trader takes time, patience, and discipline. And by following these 8 rules, you build a strong foundation to navigate the volatile world of crypto trading successfully. And if you want to learn how to turn $100 to $10,000 with crypto trading, click on the video showing right here. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. Bye.